Good morning students. Today we are going to solve practice set 3.2 question number 2. The question says decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, see, first you have to decide. After you find it out that the sequence is an AP, then you have to find the 20th term. If it is an AP, then only. So for that, first step will be the given sequence you have to check. Okay, the sequence is given to you: minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30. So these minus 12, minus 5, these are all the terms of the sequence. So write it down. A is the first term, is equal to, so I have written all the terms of the sequence: T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7. Now next what I have to do, I have to check. To check whether it is an AP, what we have to do? Find the difference between any two consecutive terms. Okay. Now let us find the difference between any two consecutive terms. What is given here? T2 minus T1 is equal to, what is T2? Minus 5. Substitute. Okay, put it in bracket. Minus. What is T1? Minus 12. Put it in bracket. Is equal to minus 5. Minus into minus, plus. Minus 5 plus 12 is plus 7. Different sign, subtract. Put the sign of greater number. What sign is then in front of a greater number? Plus. Put plus. Next, T3 minus T2 is equal to, what is T3 given to you? 2. Substitute. Minus. What is T2? Minus 5. So put it in bracket. Okay, is equal to 2. Minus into minus, plus. Here nothing is there, means it is 1. 1 into 5, 5. Minus into minus, plus. 2 plus 5, 7. Okay, next, T4 minus T3. What is fourth term? 9. Minus, see, minus is given here, I am writing. Third term, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. Fifth term, 16. Minus. Fourth term, 9. 16 minus 9, 7. Next, T6, 23. Fifth term, 16 is equal to 7. Seventh term, 30. Sixth term, 23. That is equal to 7. So you can check difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Right? So what will you conclude? The difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Okay? Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. And what is the common difference? Here the common difference is 7. I hope you have understood. Now, you have to find, if it is an AP, then only. If so, it was given to you. Now you have to find the 20th term. To find the 20th term, you apply this formula. Nth term is Tn, that is nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So you have to find 20th term. So instead of n, what will you do? Put 20 is equal to, what is your A? A is minus 12. Okay. So write it down. A is minus 12. Negative, put it in bracket. Plus, what is your n? 20. 20 minus 1. And D you have got it as 7. N minus 1 into D, that will be into, what is D? 7. So you write here 7, which is equal to minus 12 plus 20 minus 1, 19. 19 into 7, okay, which is equal to minus 12 plus 19 into 7, 133, which is equal to 121. Sign of the greater number is plus 121. Okay, so this way we have found out the 20th term. Therefore, the 20th term of an AP is 121. I hope you have understood this sum.